All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on this Monday. Hopefully, everyone had a great weekend. See everyone. Everyone's feeling well today. Good to see you, Randy, Michael, Grant. Always good. Remember, keep an eye on Randy. Keep saying extend that Fausto word, right? Good to see you all. Welcome back. Hopefully, everyone had a lovely weekend, but it's time to go to work and get back into trading. I know it's been, we had a pretty decent day on Friday. Last week, well, it was okay. We had a couple of things that made some big moves. We did well on certain trades and so on. But, this is a typical August. And, I could see it being like this more and more as we move forward. But a couple of big things. I mean, you saw what happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had a big pop. For some of us that might not be able to play Bitcoin, a lot of the blockchain stocks are doing pretty well. You could see Riot's doing well, Mara's doing well. A couple of good stocks are doing well. And I want to jump on over to one of our swing trades is DraftKings. I don't know if anyone, I've been a big fan of DraftKings for a while. We did pretty well with that. I think there was a buyout with Nugget Gaming, this one right here. And you can see it was a really big pop right there, up $6 on that stock right there. Pretty interesting that they kind of kept it quiet for a while. You can always tell. You can see the stock how it just came down from all the way from 22 down to all the way down to 12. So $18, not bad. Was like $1 billion, like $1.5 billion buyout merger, whatever it is, or buyout. I don't know. Somebody said that they're giving stock also, but I don't know. I mean, I know some of us own it. I don't have too many swing trades in my portfolio. I don't really like what's going on lately in the market, so I'm very skeptical. What I have, I'm very picky. I may still got my CSQ. We're doing great with that one. That stock has obviously done really well. But I think I just have DraftKings. I still have the Chewy trade, and what else do I still have? Some of the airlines, which are obviously not doing too well. They're making a little bit of reverse. But other than that, day trading, like I said, don't get too crazy, don't get too cocky, and just be very picky on what you do. But once again, no better time to learn than now. So let's go do some shopping. First of all, let's talk about what happened on Friday. So let me just bring this back for anyone that's new here. You probably didn't know this or see this. Let's go look at some of the stocks. We had Mavis that did really well on Friday. So that stock early morning had a nice little pop, did its basic you can see right here, did a slingshot where right the gate, boom, the thing ran from like 14 all the way down to 1360. And then just basically just constantly made higher highs, beautiful Fausto flag. And it was a little bit of a late bloomer, but it had a really nice pop around 12 o'clock where it went from like 1480 all the way to 1560. And then pretty much was over from there. But that one was pretty good. BTBT, another one that did really well in the middle of the day. It had a good morning slingshot, bounced, ricocheted, and then it made from like 1620 all the way to about 1920. MVST was another one. Not the prettiest stock, but I know some of us got a couple of those little pops right there, and that was just one of them. You had to take the money and run on that one. AUPH, another stock also. Once again, they all look the same. They all have that same pattern, which what we're looking for. 930 stock went from 1280 all the way to 1440, and that pretty much does it for Friday. Friday afternoons, not that great, nothing spectacular. Norman, we're going to talk about that WorkX. Yes, WorkX is actually doing pretty well. I'm going to bring that up right now because some of you are looking at that stock. WORX. Okay, so WorkX just had a really nice move right here, and you could see that stock right just a couple of minutes ago. I know you guys called it out earlier. I don't know if anyone here on YouTube and Facebook Live saw it also, and trial members. I know we have a lot of new trial members starting today, but this stock obviously had a really nice pop, 315 all the way to 495. Let me just bring up on my level 4. There was a couple of big orders I saw that just got executed. Let me just get that. Let me get that data for us so you guys can show you on level 4 what's going on. Work right here. So you can see right here, there's a not a huge iceberg order, but there's a big guy out here sitting here at $4 for 29,000 shares. Looks like he's getting executed. He's getting sold. Look at that. He got sold. He's getting hit. You know what that means, right, guys? Read between the lines. That's called a demand. That's what that was called. Guy got done right there, sold all those shares right there. Let me just bring up a little bit closer. You can see that, boom, just got executed. So we know where that's going to lead to. Anyway, we'll come back and check that out in a little bit. Let me just go through a couple of more of the stocks that are out there that made the watch list. So that one's looking pretty good. Obviously, we know DraftKings. You know, the problem with DraftKings, just to let you know, DKNG. The problem with DraftKings is it's so expensive. You know that we're not a very big fan, you know, to go out there and trade expensive stocks. So sometimes you really don't have, you know, listen, if something's moving, we'll trade it. Okay. I'm always a fan of trading less risk, more reward. And not only that, but for some people that don't have a lot of money, you know, that start out, they're like, no, I can't afford these. Listen, that stock WorkX, we called that early. You guys doing great with that one. So you can see that stock is literally almost more than 10 times less money, you know, and the volatility is a lot better there. But anyway, if we see these stocks, we're going to trade them if they're moving, but I'm going to put them on our watch list. That and Gold Nugget. It looks like it's kind of flat right now at the prices where it's at. But, you know, sometimes it's weird. Sometimes you see them move out of nowhere. So we'll still keep an eye on those buyouts. It's not a, you know, like we saw one that was a buyout last week, and it was a buyout, and the thing kept going up and up and up. I'm like, what the hell's going on with this one? So anyway, this one also, big volume in the stocks, up 18%. I like the spread on it, 3.3 million shares. Nice little trend, nice little push right there. But she's starting to trend down. There's a little bit of a big iceberg order here, hovering right around here, around 430. I mean, 440, 340. We'll see how that holds there, if that guy holds it up. But that one looks like pretty, we're going to keep an eye on that one. FTFT. I'm going to put that one on the watch list. Any right there, another stock, 7.8 million shares. It did good at 7 o'clock this morning and started backing off. By the way, I know Grant, we're going to bring it back up. Grant said, look at that WorkX. Guys, YouTube, look what just happened. We just saw a big iceberg order get done. I just proved it to you. Supply, demand. There was a demand. Look at that. Boom. Could have made about 13 cents right there. 15 cents just on that one pop right there. You know, 15 cents, 1,000 shares, $150. Where are you going to make that? All right. So anyway, that was a great call right there. It was great able to show you that too, because some people have never seen that before. So that was pretty cool. A couple other stocks I want to keep an eye on. Can, another one that's got a nice little trend. The stock was a $40 stock, got destroyed. It is testing some resistance levels right here, which means still got some potential, but about 80 cents away from now. But we'll see how it breaks that resistance. But stock's been doing really well for the past week or so. It's been up about 100%. Not only has it been a good day trade, it's been a good swing trade. And I want to leave us off with this last stock right here, BDR. So BDR traded 2 million shares already, 2 million shares, nice level one stock from what it looks like so far. Nice penny spread. Remember, when you're trading, okay, there's 3 things you have to beat, okay? The 3 T's: tradable, trend, and trap. If you don't get past that first T, which you know we're going to start our classes going on this week, you don't pass that first T, you're wasting your time, okay? 50% of people fail on that first T. It's got to be tradable. Don't worry about the volatility and the movement. It's all about risk to reward. But anyway, cheap little stock, level one stock. For all you beginners out there, this might be up your alley. Now, as the trend goes, it's trending down. I want to see how it opens up a little bit more. As of right now, the only stock that looks pretty good that's moving, you know, in our pre-mark is WorkX. There you go. Look, it's already at 18. Look at that. Beautiful stock. 18 cents. Nice little move right there. Looks like a guy just pulled his order at $4. So, oh, yep, he pulled his order. That's one of the reasons, probably just backed off right there. All right, anything I'm missing I did not call out? Anything else? It's Monday, guys. Don't get too crazy. Don't get too cocky. You know we're not going to get too much action. The market's down about 61 points right now. So as a day trader, you know, be very, very selective. You got the weekend buyouts. Like I said, if you logged in late, you got that DraftKings. We did really well on our swing trade on that one. You know, listen, we're in the right place at the right time. By the way, that seller just pulled his order completely on WorkX at $4. I'm just going to show it to you because some people are like, what the hell is Fausto you talking about? Right here, look, that buyer right there was just out there. Once he pulled his order right there, boom, the thing just came crashing down. And there was a big iceberg order sitting there at 420. You got to follow the money, fellow traders. Got to follow the money. All right, anything else? No. All right, guys. So listen, today at 12 o'clock, we're going to be doing an open house. You know, we don't rarely do it on a Monday, but we want to change things up a little bit, get ready for the new year. So I know some people like, you know, the weekends, everything else, but we're going to start out fresh. We're going to be doing a free webinar today at 12 o'clock. You can register on our website. So hopefully see everybody out there and come and join us. What else? You know, like I said, it's a good time to take a break from trading. And, you know, please go out there, share it, tell everybody about it, and we'll see you there. In the meantime, just make your money quick. Don't get too crazy. Don't get too cocky. It's Monday. It's a week. It's the summertime. Just go out there and just make your day's pay. And, you know, that's it. Don't worry about it. You can't hit them all. All right, guys? Michael's just saying AMC earnings this afternoon, which is kind of rare for a Monday, but we're definitely going to look forward to seeing how that works out. And, I don't know if I would like to hold that stock on earnings right now. It's obviously not looking too well, so we'll see how that works out. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. We'll start commentary once the market opens up. If you're watching YouTube, Facebook Live, you can watch. If you watch this recording, we'll be here live every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 2:30. We'll see you back then. Other than that, we'll see you back at 12. Good luck, everyone. Be safe.